fun! Flamingos around!
Wow. Flamingos are nice.
But this is such a beautiful place. I'm so happy we decided to come here. Just look at the waterfall. It's so beautiful.
Look at the yellow trees. They look so pretty.
Just look at the waterfall. It's so new, so nice, so nice.
Oh, look, I see Tessa. She lives near here.
Hi, I live near the waterfall. It's a really nice place. So beautiful, so beautiful. Like trees all around and look.
So, what was your plan with this waterfall thing?
Well, I will tell you, but look how they're enjoying it. So horrible.
You said who? You're supposed to say how.
I said how. You didn't hear.
Ugh!
Ugh!
Just tell me.
So here's the surprise. My clan is coming right now.
Ugh, just tell it!
Come! Come! I'm calling you!
I'm right here.
I'm not talking to you at all, Samp.
Are you crazy?
No, I'm not.
I'm just talking to air. The air is coming.
No!
I
Samplika, stop fighting!
just tell me why you're calling.
She'll come. Come in. It's Cutie Monkey, the baby witch!
I'm gonna hypnotize you.
No, listen, we're all villains. Right?
Really?
Yes, definitely. So what we want you to do is put a spell on our snowy ice girls.
I don't want to. I mean, I do want to, but I don't want to.
What do you mean you don't want to? Remember they locked you up in Halloween.
How dare they did that? I actually am going to...
Samplika, do you know why this is a good idea? Because witch spells, they'll be stronger than our spells. One day? Oh look, it's my ticket.
Of course, it's your ticket. I don't know why you're saying it, Mommy. Where's Barbie?
What?
Where's Barbie?
Barbie? Oh, she's scared of water, so she didn't want to come and...
But
she
how
wanted
she's
to-
scared of water? She went into a swimming.
But like waterfalls and rivers are like more deep and stuff, right?
Yes.
And then she didn't want her mobile phone to like float away
And why would she want to get it?
because she can't be without it.
She's crazy. And her charge is running out.
Her child.
Ow!
Oh, mommy!
Splash! Oh no, I'm so sorry. Your ticket floated away.
Who cares?
Okay.
I kind of saw somebody over there.
Splash!
This is fun, isn't it?
Whoa!
Whoa, mommy, careful!
Let me go in the rock.
Oh my gosh, mom.
Whoa!
Careful. Careful.
Splash! Look, everyone is there.
Yep, that's everybody.
Come. Do you have any friends here? No. The baby when you sister. Okay. I just sister Abbie, right?
Yep.
It is so cute. Who said cute?
I don't know. Who was that?
It's too late. I'm not to mommy.
Whoa.
I don't even have my presents.
Whoa. Put here.
Auntie. How does like it looks like this, like sequin on, huh?
Who cares? She's a witch. From the power of the river, make them disappear from here to the underground where all are lost and no one is found. Uh-oh.
It's a good thing I can hear. No, I couldn't say that.
I'm a flamingo.
Why do you know?
Because I live around here.
Yeah, let me just sit on the stool.
I think I saw a little witch around.
Yes, I know that. Guys, what do we do?
What do we want to do? Oh yeah, the witch, of course.
Look behind you.
Where's the snowy ice girls? I mean, the rest of the snowy ice girls except Barbika.
Okay.
Yeah, I know. That's what I'm trying to say.
And Bobby's. It's a good thing she was home.
Yep. Well, can't you just get them back?
Do you know where they are?
No.
In the underground where no one is found.
Well, you could do one thing.
Use the power song. I know. Oh! Splash!
Barbika, is this the time to splash around?
Is there so much fun?
Well, then let's
Swim,
start
swim, swim. Okay.
singing. That's what I was gonna say. What a beautiful river. We need to get out of here. Oh, so beautiful, nice and beautiful. What a beautiful view, and you can see it too. Nice and beautiful waterfall, waterfall, waterfall. What a beautiful view, and you can see it too. Nice and beautiful waterfall, 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 waterfall.
Yay! You're back.
Yep, that we are.
Our plan didn't work.
You mean your plan didn't work?
Yes.
But actually, it was the witch. Silly little witch. Can't even put up a little plan.
What did I do?
Well, I thought witch spells were supposed to be strong, but they just used the power of song and got out.
From the power of...
No! Run, jump!
Ha ha.
Well,
Dillika, Samplika.
well, I don't know why they're here.
With the camera.
Yep, with the camera.
Come on. Jump on the rock.
Yay! So much fun.
Click.
And one here?
Click. Now take pictures of me here.
Click. Oh my gosh, Sampli, don't. That's not safe. You might just fall down.
And here.
Click.
Click, 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 click.